dusty roads, through the village squares, I wandered far beneath sunny flares.
Good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening from wherever you're watching this channel from. I am Pitbull and this is Travel and Food channel. In today's video, we are going to make a simple porridge for our evening snack. We are making a porridge for the evening. But before we continue, if you are new to my channel, can you take a moment or two to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also share it to your community. And let's begin. I'm going to use a simple tool. This is a spoon, and this is ice cream container. I just improvised, and flour. And our flour, we want to use this type of flour. It's a uji mix soap porridge. It's a millet flour. We got it from our local shop. The procedure: we first make a paste rice. Okay, we pour water and we mix a mixture of water and flour. A mixture of water, and you mix it until it meets the consistency. It's consistent. We break all these purples. We break the purples and make sure that the consistency is all the same. Okay. Yeah. Once this is ready, we will transfer to our boiling water. Already I put my water on the gas boiling, so we mix this thing until we feel that it's okay now. The flour, the mix of flour and water is ready, and it's ready to be transferred to our boiling water. Our saucepan is ready. The water is also bubbling hot. Here we go. Our water is boiling, and it's time to add our unga. Okay. We add as we stir. We add our unga as we stir around until we meet this type of consistency. You see, it's coming out nicely. It's coming out nicely done. The consistency is okay. We don't have bubbles. It's nice and well. So if you feel the uji is thick, you can add some water to it. Yeah, because as you can see, it's thick already. Let us add water. You add some water, see, you stir until it reaches the consistency you so desire. Guys, if you are new to my channel, this is Travel and Food, and today's video we were making uji. Uji is a kind of evening snack for Kenya. If you come from Kenya, you know it's a kind of snack. It's always taken maybe for breakfast and also for evening before dinner. And today I felt like it's a nice day. It's a Saturday. I want to make uji so that I can eat while I'm waiting for the time for dinner. Yeah, this is very nice and it's very nutritious. The ingredient for this one is millet, flour, water, and you are done. And if you like, you can add some sugar. Okay, let us add the sugar. Yep, since the food is sour, we don't need a lot of sugar. We add a little bit for the taste. Okay, there we have it. We have added sugar to our porridge. We mix, we stir, and make sure that the sugar is well dissolved. The sugar is well dissolved. Okay, and this is what we have. Uji for evening snack. Now, once you have this uji, you can eat it with anything of your choice. You can eat with sweet potatoes. You can eat it with bread. But for me now, I choose to eat it plain without anything. I'm not adding anything. Next stage, I reduce the fire and let it boil for 5 minutes before we get it out of the fire. So I reduce the fire and let it boil for 5 minutes. Then I get it out of the fire. And guys, up to this point, we have our uji. The uji is ready. We are only waiting to cool down. Then we serve. Okay. Welcome back, guys. Our uji is cold now, and it's time to serve. I'll be using this cup is love and the spoon. So you scoop and you put your spoon to your cup. You scoop again. You put your cup. You scoop again until there you have it, guys. Guys, up to this point, thank you for watching my channel. Let me take my uji and I'll be back for the feedback. Guys, our uji is ready and let me test it. Up to this moment, let me take the opportunity to thank you for staying with me up to this time. Until next time, see you in my next video. Bye bye.